4, 3, 2, 1. Get it down. Nice controlled, core tight, body weight forward. That's it. No wormholes, no inviting. Yeah. Keep that core nice and tight. We are going to do a 2-minute round. So we do the 2-minute boxing boot camp style rounds, 4 different exercises, 30 seconds each, then a minute rest. So 2 minutes straight through. And we've got a footwork drill, 2 core exercises, and then a bit of punching as well. So full body boxing boot camp style. So stand by, and we'll go through the first. What we got here? Okay, we're ready to rock and roll. 3, 2, 1. Last round. Round number 4 into those shuffles. Stay on the toes, stay on the toes, stay on the toes. Fast toes. Okay, so I was just saying, if you're not feeling it, it feels too easy, you've got to put the work in, you've got to turn it up. And turn it up, get on the toes. Push through that calf burn. Keep pushing through, keep pushing through. Come on. Let's go. Hell yeah, let's do it. Come on. Keep pushing through. 10 seconds, guys, come on. 10 seconds on this exercise. Straight down to those hot hands, body weight forward. 4, 3, 2, 1. Get it down. Nice controlled, core tight, body weight forward. That's it. No wormholes, no inviting. Yeah. Keep that core nice and tight. Put the hips in line with your shoulders. But as soon as you bring your heels over your toes, you'll go in the position we want you to be in anyway, guys. Yeah. So just bear that in mind. Remember that. Makes it a little bit tougher, but you'll get the full benefit from the exercise. 2, 1. We're up. And we're punching away, boom, boom. Punching away. So get all that stress out, all that aggression, come on. Everyone loves punching, come on. Punch them out, let's go, that's it. Bang. Everything you got, come on. Punch them out. 10 seconds then, turn it up, last time I'm punching, guys, come on. Bam. Come on. 4, 3, 2, 1, pummel jumps. Okay, we're down, as far as the space you can see me. In and out, let's go. On the toes. Keep that body weight forward again, guys, yeah? Don't move the arms. Just let the legs go in and out. On the toes, nice and light. In and out. You're gonna feel the biceps, shoulders and triceps burning now. If you put the work in on all the exercises. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, time. Round number 4. Gone. Okay, suck it up. Get your rest time in. Nice big deep breaths in the nose, out through the mouth. Ready for your finisher. So, a core finisher, so a static hold on the core finisher. We're going to go for a crucifix plank hold. So you're going to hold the plank for 60 seconds, and rather than being in a standing plank like that, put the arms wider as if you're in a crucifix plank. Everyone's going to be different. Some will be able to go wider than others, depending on what flooring you've got as well. You might slip. So just go wider than you usually would in that plank hold. Yeah. Remember, so in that position there, we want the heels to come over the toes when we're in that plank position, so we keep that body weight forward. Okay, 10 seconds and we're done. This is your finisher, yeah? So you're gonna put the arms wider than usual to hold that plank. So 2, 1, okay, let's go. So we're holding it out, heels over toes. Say, just do what you can with the floor you've got. So you might be able to start off wide. As soon as your hands start getting sweaty, you might need to adjust your grip slightly where your arms are. But remember, keep that body weight forward. So if you're struggling with the balance, widen those legs a little bit. That's it, that's good. But keep it nice and tight. This is where your mind will come into it now, guys, yeah? So slide it a little bit, just bring them in. We're over halfway, guys, yeah? Keep it tight, and then you are done. This core workout is done, and hopefully, if you kept that core engagement there, the next few days you're going to be feeling those abs, yeah? 15 seconds to go. Don't drop now. 10 seconds, come on. Go ahead, say it with me now. Come on, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, time. And that is done. The more core boot camp workout at home is finished. So all it was, guys, fists, a fist. I need to go, man. It was a fast, furious 20-minute workout, including the warm-up, guys, yeah? So all it is, that's all we've done. Come in, 2-minute rounds, minute rest, 4 rounds, and then the finisher for a minute. So it's quick, it's fast, it's furious. But as I said at the start, if you don't feel like it's done anything for you, that's your own fault. You need to put it in, dig deep, and get the most out of this workout, guys, yeah? All gonna be at different abilities, but you need to be at your top ability to be able to put the energy into this exercise, guys, yeah?